Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Accent versus Hyundai Verna. We will explore their key differences to help you decide which car best suits your needs. The Accent typically serves as a budget-friendly subcompact, while the Verna steps up as a more feature-rich compact sedan. Both vehicles are known for their dependable performance and efficient fuel consumption, making them popular choices in their respective segments. When it comes to performance, the Verna often takes the lead with more robust engine choices, such as a 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine delivering 160 PS. The Accent usually comes with a 1.6-liter engine, offering about 138 horsepower. In terms of technology, the Verna integrates a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen and advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, providing a more modern driving experience. Inside, the Verna generally offers a more spacious and refined cabin, benefiting from a longer wheelbase that translates to better rear legroom. While the Accent provides comfortable seating, its rear passenger space can feel a bit more constrained. The Verna elevates comfort with premium amenities such as ventilated front seats and an immersive 8-speaker Bose sound system, enhancing the overall in-cabin experience. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. The Accent is a strong contender if you're seeking a reliable, economical subcompact, often starting around $15,000. However, if you desire more power, advanced technology, and a more spacious, feature-rich interior, the Verna, priced from approximately $13,000 to $20,000, offers a compelling upgrade. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.